Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to Novice Bali Kitchen. Today I'm in Tanjung Village, Nusa Dua, Bali, and here is Pak Made, my neighbor, and we are going to collect some seaweed for a seaweed and mango salad. Finally, we found some, even though it's not the season. See you back in the kitchen. Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome back. This is the seaweed that we collected last night from the beach, and now I'm going to wash it 8 times to get rid of the fish smell and sand. I will be back soon. Bye bye. Hello, I'm back. This is the seaweed after I wash 8 times with the fresh water. The seaweed called bulung boni. Bulung means seaweed and boni is the name of the seaweed. And if you would like to keep this seaweed overnight in the room temperature, please make sure you soak in seawater. And here I have some ingredients that I'm going to mix with the seaweed. This is the mangoes. I'm going to grate it later. And I'm going to use fresh grated coconut, lime fruit, small green chili, water, sugar, and salt. So let's start. The first thing, I'm going to remove the skin from the mango. I'm going to grate the mangoes. I'm only using half of the mangoes. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons fresh grated coconut, half tablespoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of fresh water, and squeeze of lime juice. Mix everything together. You can also use unripe mango if you prefer. Put it into a separate bowl and then just add the juice. And I'm going to add some small green chili on the top. I'm going to use 3. If you prefer 1 or 2, it's up to you. Here we are, Balinese seaweed and mango salad. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksema.